if the function x is designated with f and x, the inverse function can be designated as, this is the standard way to write inverse function. Now there is a property of inverse function which is something like this: f inverse of function of x is x. Similarly, f of function of inverse x is equal to also x. So this one means that f inverse of, instead of it being x, it will be function of x. So I will show an example. Let's say y is equal to x square and this is fx, function of x. Now we want to find inverse function, so we substitute x with y, so it becomes like that. So y is equal to root x, and this one is, so f inverse x is square root of x, while fx is x square. Now if I want to write f inverse f of x like that, so what I will do, f inverse x is this one, root x, so basically root, but instead of x, this is not x, it is a function of x, so this is actually x square, so it becomes like that, and that is x. Similarly, if I want to write f of inverse x, then this one is function of x is x square, that's fine, but this is not x here, this is function of inverse x, which is actually square root of x, so this is like that, and that is x. So basically that's how it is. So I will do one more example. So let's see, this is our function of x, so we want to find the inverse function, so that will be, of course, if we substitute y plus 7, so y is equal to x minus 7. So function of inverse, this one is x minus 7, and fx is of course x plus 7. So if I want to find the function inverse function of x, that will be like that. So inverse x is x minus 7, but x itself is, so x minus 7, but instead of x, since this is fx, it will be x plus 7, like that. So this one is x. Similarly, if I want to find this one, function of function inverse x, function of x is x plus 7, that's fine, x plus 7, but that is function of x, but this is function of inverse x, so I have to write, instead of x, this is not correct, so this one I would write x minus 7, because that is what is function of inverse x, so like inverse function of x, sorry, so like that. So this is also x. So maybe I will do one more problem later.